Order them to surrender, and I promise you won't be court-martialed.
If a court-martial is the only way to let the people of the Federation know what is happening here, I welcome it.
The Enterprise has destroyed one of my ships. The other is on fire requesting assistance.
The Enterprise would only fire to defend itself. Ruafo must have ordered the attack. I can't believe he would have given that order without your consent, Admiral. I wonder which of us will be facing that court-martial.
There's nothing further to be gained from this.
You're right. This is going to end now. The Baku want to stay on the planet, let them. I'm going to launch the injector.
You're not going to launch anything.
In 6 hours, every living thing in this system will be dead or dying.
You would kill your own people, Ruafo? Your own parents? Brothers, sisters? Didn't you know, Admiral? The Sona and the Baku are the same race.
Picard just told us. Our DNA is identical. Which one were you?
Golna. Rotin.
Those names, those children are gone forever.
What's he talking about?
A century ago, a group of our young people wanted to follow the ways of the Offlanders. They tried to take over the colony, and when they failed...
When we failed, you exiled us to die slowly.
You're Rotin, aren't you? There's something in the voice. Would you be his friend, Golna? I helped your mother bathe you when you were a child. She still speaks of you.
You've brought the Federation into the middle of a blood feud, Admiral. The children have returned to expel their elders, just as they were once expelled. Except that Ruafo's need for revenge has now escalated into parricide.
It was for the Federation.